Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Classification of genitourinary fistula. Classification of genitourinary fistula depends upon the distance of fistula from the external urinary meatus. If the distance of fistula from external urinary meatus is less than 1.5 centimeters, then it is type 4 fistula. If it is between 1.5 to 2.5 centimeters, then it is type 3 fistula. If it is between 2.5 to 3.5 centimeters, then it is called as type 2 fistula. If it is more than 3.5 centimeters, then it is type 1 fistula. Gynecological infections.
thank you and thank you for watching.